Sitting in my garden, under the trees, been standing here waiting for hundreds of years. I can't say for certain if it's nighttime or day, but what does it matter? Sitting in my garden, I don't care about real or illusion, with or without. Millions of people stay where they are. I am watching the world from afar, because the warm is the sun that blesses me, and cool as the wind caressing me. You are distraction in days, chaos and disarray. Calm is the earth and the world's a forgotten place, catching the light in her eyes. Sounds of bees come to my ears, and tears sway of the trees, and breathe in and breathe out. Sorry, without a doubt, sunbeams, moss grown and underneath. You see life spring in and out of the circle, around it goes. Spring, summer, autumn, and so it flows. And warm as the sun that blesses me, and cool as the wind caressing me. You are distraction in days, chaos and disarray. Calm is the earth and the world's a forgotten place, catching the light in her eyes.